Good morning students. Today we will do worksheet 16 made by Directorate of Education GNCT of Delhi for date 25/11/2020. Subject Science English Medium for class 8. Name of students right here, name of teacher here. Today's topic is metal and non-metal. Comparison between metals and non-metal. We have learned so many things about the metals and non-metal in the previous worksheet. Today we will do the revision by comparing the physical property of metal and non-metal. Here three columns are given. In column first, property is written here. In column second, metals. In column third, non-metal. The first property, appearance. Metals are shiny or lustrous. Non-metals, these are dull except iodine. Only iodine is that it is lustrous or shiny, and all the non-metals are dull. In the second property, all metals are solid at room temperature except mercury, which is liquid at room temperature and it is used in thermometer. So you should remember the exception. In the non-metal, in the case of non-metal, these exist in all the three states: solid, liquid, gas. Now third property, hardness. These are very hard except sodium, potassium and lead. These can be easily cut by knife. So exception you should always remember. In the non-metal, these are comparatively soft or brittle except diamond. So this is exception, you should remember it. Now fourth property, physical property, malleability. Generally all metals are malleable, can be beaten into thin sheets. Example are given here. In non-metal, these are brittle and therefore non-malleable, means break down into pieces when beaten. Next property, ductility. Generally all metals are ductile. Ductile means can be drawn into wires. In non-metal, these are non-ductile, these are brittle. Next property, conductivity. On the basis of conductivity, metals are good conductor of heat and electricity, but non-metals are poor conductor of heat and electricity. Next property, sonorous. These are sonorous. Sonorous means produce ringing sound, due to which bells are made up of metal, and non-metals are non-sonorous and not sonorous. Example of metal are iron, gold, copper, magnesium, silver, sodium, etc. And example of non-metal are carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, chlorine, sulfur and iodine. Now check yourself. The first question is, name two metals that can be cut by knife. The answer of this question is given here in the worksheet. Here, sodium and potassium. These can be cut easily by knife. The answer of first question is here. In the second question, why bells in temple are made up of metal? The answer of this question is here. These are metals are sonorous, due to which bells are made up of metals. Next question, name four metal and non-metal found in your surrounding. The answer of this question is here. Answer of third question, example of metals are iron, gold, copper, aluminum, and example of non-metals are carbon, oxygen and nitrogen. Okay dear students, now next question, difference between metal and non-metal. You should write any. Here many difference between metal and non-metal is given here. You should write any of three. In metal you should write it. In non-metal you should write it. You should write three differences: difference 1, difference B and difference C, from here to here. Next question, name one metal that is in liquid at room temperature. The answer of this question is also in this worksheet. Here, mercury. Mercury is the metal which is liquid at room temperature. This is the answer of last question, question 5. Then dear students, in this way, worksheet 16, subject science English medium for class 8th has been completed. Thank you for watching this video.